The Ministry of Tourism of Government of India is organizing an international tourism mart at Sursajai Stadium, Guwahati, Assam, from 18th to 20th January 2013 to highlight the tourism potential of the northeast region of the India, comprising the states of all eight states and adjacent state, West Bengal. So you might ask why? Because considering the congruous features of the region, so we are considering West Bengal also in this northeast region of India tourism mart. So all the 9 states are going to participate in this event. And here I would like to say, it's the first of its kind. The International Tourism Mart Guwahati 2013 is not only the first ever international tourism event to be organized in the northeastern region, but also the first international tourism mart to focus on a specific region of India. So for that, we are so happy, and I'm so happy being a Minister of Tourism to initiate this. And here, it will bring together the tourism business fraternity and entrepreneurs from the 9 northeastern states of India. The event has been planned to schedule to facilitate interaction between buyers, sellers, media, government agencies, and others. So around 100 buyer delegates from Asian countries, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Japan, Korea, Australia, France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Sweden, UK, and USA have confirmed their participation in the mart. It's very, very encouraging, and it is giving us some kind of josh to go further. And beside foreign delegates, approximately 47 domestic buyers from the other parts of our country are also attending. There are 66 sellers from the 9 participating states. And here, in addition to the business meetings, the 3 events will include presentations, cultural evenings, and press meets with the media from India and overseas. Post-mart familiarization tours to the states in the region have been organized and arranged by the state governments for the overseas delegates from 21st to 28th January 2013 to create awareness about the rich and varied tourism products of the states of the northeastern region, to give them first-hand knowledge and experience of the particular destinations. There are a total of 13 optional tours organized to each delegate will participate in one of the tours. The duration of the tour ranges from 2 to 7 days. That is 22nd to 28th January in a different states. The Minister of Tourism is spending amount nearly 1.8 crores towards organizing the mart. And here I would like to say, more than what we are spending, the Assam government is spending more than that. So for that, we'll appreciate especially the state government, Assam's CM, Mr. Tarun Gogoi. He is doing a wonderful job. And under his leadership, the whole team is very, very enthusiastic and very actively participating. For that, really, I'll appreciate once again Mr. Assam CM Tarun Gogoi. And the other states also, they're also contributing for different areas and substantial amount. For that, it is, I think, with the help of, with the support of all the state governments, I think we can deliver wonderful and at international level, I think we can showcase our regions to the face of the world. And beside all 9 states tourism, I think here we are so happy, almost all 5 other country tourism ministers are participating, and already they have given their consent and confirmation. We are so happy. They are from ministers from Cambodia, Germany, Laos, Singapore, and Vietnam. And very happy to inform you all this. And in the further details, I would like to ask our Secretary Parvez to answer what are the questions raised from your side. Thank you very much.